What's the meaning of breathlessly? Breathlessly. Breathlessly.
Breathlessly. Breathlessly. Breathlessly means to do something with great excitement, anticipation, or urgency, often to the point of being out of breath. It can also mean to do something with bated breath or fearfully, as if holding one's breath in suspense. When someone is described as doing something breathlessly, they are typically completely absorbed in the moment and passionate about what they are doing. They may be in a state of great anticipation, eagerly waiting for something to happen. Alternatively, they may be in a state of high anxiety or fear, struggling to catch their breath as they wait for a result or outcome. Ultimately, breathlessly conveys a sense of intense emotion and energy, whether positive or negative.